Ever wondered if there's finally a painless, needle-free way to monitor your blood sugar at home? The herein glucose monitor promises exactly that: real-time glucose readings without pricking your finger, claiming to revolutionize diabetes management with a single device. On the surface, it sounds like a dream come true for anyone who struggles with regular glucose testing, but when we dig deeper into the details, things start to get murky. The product claims are bold, but they raise serious questions. How can a device give accurate glucose readings without any sensors or direct blood measurement? There's no medical certification, no FDA or CE approval, and no published clinical studies to back these claims. The company behind herein is almost completely anonymous, with no transparency about the creators, manufacturer, or the underlying technology. Customer testimonials look polished but appear to be AI-generated, and the website uses high pressure. Tactics like countdown timers and fake stock alerts, which are classic red flags in online marketing. The monitor itself seems to be a rebranded gadget commonly sold under multiple names from Chinese manufacturers, which further calls into question its reliability and originality. While it might seem convenient and futuristic, the lack of verifiable results and medical backing makes it hard to trust for something as critical as glucose monitoring. The idea of tracking blood sugar without any invasive method is appealing, but right now the claims appear more aspirational than realistic. Users are left without clear evidence that the device actually works, and anyone relying on it instead of clinically proven methods could be at risk. In short, herein glucose monitor markets itself with flashy promises and sleek visuals, but under the surface, it lacks the scientific validation needed for such a serious health device. It's a product that may sound exciting, but careful. Scrutiny reveals that it's far from a reliable solution for managing your blood sugar.